Okay, Steve. Talk to me about, I guess, the special offer that windscreenadhesives.com.au currently has
Yes.
for new customers.
So for a trial box, we call it the I'll Have a Crack offer. With that, we are offering you can buy a whole box of 20 sausages for 132.40, I believe. Free delivery and delivered anywhere throughout the country. Now, if you don't like the product or you start to use it, pack it up, send it back to us, or refund your money.
Beautiful. I have another question for you. I looked online and it looks like you've got a heavily discounted caulking gun there available as well.
Yes.
Talk to me about that.
Yes. So when you are purchasing your trial box of product, we have another offer of the caulking gun. So our caulking gun, it's a heavy duty caulking gun that we've had very good feedback on, as a matter of fact. And we're offering 50% off. So I think it's $148. Thereabouts.
Yep.
And yes, the feedback I've got, like I say, has been very good. So you won't be disappointed.